Sanibona bafethu, let's talk about Lomjida uMkota. Remember igame yayizolo Orlando Pirates ade idlala against the Kaizer Chiefs. Remember that game. I've seen many people speaking about ukudlala kwaNkota izolo. You saw uNkota. Mina in my eyes I saw uNkota odlalayo. I saw uNkota engijwayele ukumbona vele. But kunento enethiswa abantu abaningi. Yebo, mhlawumbe mina nginothisanga. Yebo, but ke coming to this game, uNkota ubethola criticism enkulu. If you remember the first leg we played against the Pyramids FC, uNkota ama-fans amaningi ayemcriticize kule game isiphelile uthi we cannot rely on uNkota. We cannot rely on this guy because lo Mjida lo akenzi lezi zinto ezenze ubusalingi. Yabo, abantu abaningi babesho leyo nto. But ke ngabatshela abantu ukuthi you cannot say that kumfana omncane. Umfana omncane he has the reason why sikuma semi-final because he scored against the MC Alger. Yabo, indlela adlala ngakhona. Yabo, uyasinikeza leyo edge. Uma ukhumbula kahle the second leg of i-semi-final, uyena mdlalo owakora kuqala for i-Orlando Pirates. Ekora igoli. Not igoli lokuqala actually, iwakora igoli lesibili. Yabo, ekora igoli lesibili elihle nge-second half. But ke Orlando Pirates yahluleka udefender. Yabo, Fiston Mayela wenza izinto Orlando Pirates yadliwa. But ke angikhuluma ama-semi-final. Yabo, after lawo ma-games lawo abantu abaningi babeloke bethi we miss Saling. But ke coming to i-derby siyayidlala i-derby. Yabo, umfana first derby washesha waphuma because walimala kule derby lesiyidlala. Le derby le ubefuna ukuyibonakalisa. Yabo, ukubonakalisa ashaya igoli. Yabo, akekho umdlalo ongafisi ukushaya igoli kuSoweto derby. Akekho umdlali la eSouth Africa ongafisi ukudlala kwiSoweto derby ascore igoli in front of 90,000 fans, in front of many people, in front of many South Africans watching emakhaya, millions of South Africans watching le game le. Yabo, so kwigame yayizolo for me I saw a different Nkota. I saw uNkota oyimisele ngempela. You even saw umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs ethola i-red card. You saw that player uCross. Yebo, because uNkota beloko emhlupha kakhulu. It's a pity ke ama chances awatholile akawakapitalizanga. Yebo, next game uMjida kumele adlale kahle asebenzise ama chances akhe akore amagoli. Yebo, because into eshodayo kuNkota kwiBetway Premiership amagoli. But uma usubheke kulama chances uNkota awatholile, uMfokeng bekumele ampasele. There were many chances awashobile lo Mjida ububona kahle uthi la ubekumele adlale ibhola kuMfokeng, la bekumele enze into kanje, la bekumele enze into kanje. And many comments I saw bathi uNkota ujealous of uMfokeng. Abantu bathi ujealous uNkota of uMfokeng, indlela adlala ngakhona uMfokeng akafuni. Yabo, ufuna ukufika kwi-level yakhe. I'm not saying abakho kwi-level efanayo. Yabo, angithandi ukuqhathanisa abadlali bethu. I'm not that kind of player. Yabo, uNkota unama traits akhe. uNkota une speed. He can take on abadlali. But when it comes to yabo epalini, sometimes unokushaya ibhola leli phezulu. Yabo, uyafuqa kakhulu. Yabo, finishing yakhe kuphela into angimela ayilungise mifika epalini. For me, that's all I can say about uNkota. Yabo, so abantu izolo ade ngamphasela uMfokeng. Yes, I saw that one chance la khona ngamphasela uMfokeng. Mhlambe abanye benwabonile ama clips lapho coach ezedinwa khona uthi hawo ukhahlelelani mfethu uMfokeng la umdlaleli ngani ibhola kushawa inet kudliwa abantu. Yabo, sathanda kusayina i-contracts lo Mjida lo with uNike. Yabo, amakhokho lawa wagqokayo with uNike. I'm sure leyo nto leyo isekhanda lakhe. I'm sure bayamtshela ukuthi hayibo sikhombise phela you recently signed a new contract with us. Yabo, why are you not performing? Maybe you wanted to score with derby ngalawa makhokho lawa. Mhlawumbe bekunedi bonus thizeni asazi. Yabo, asazi. Mina ngikushoyo kuNkota, one thing my boy, only thing you can fix, only thing i-finishing yakho, udlalisane nama teammates wakho. Yabo, Mfokeng is your teammate, Khotso is your teammate, Makgopa is your teammate. Messi together siwina sonke. Messi together sithole. Yabo, Mfokeng right now unama adverse ne-Adidas, nawe unoNike. Yabo, menwina Mfokeng kube i-Orlando Pirates ayiwin ngaba ayitholi zonke lezi zinto, kube Orlando Pirates ayidlali kahle ngaba ayitholi zonke lezi zinto. Uthola lezo zinto because sisebenza as a team, we win as a team. Uma kuwina uMfokeng uma kuwina yabo kukora uMakgopa uma kukora uHotho kufana nokuthi usize team yonke uthi win yabo. So bafethu musana uthi umfana unomona maybe umjito befuna naye ukukora ayekho umdlali ongeyazi athanda ukukora kwidabi yabo. No player ungahamba uliqede, no player. So he must fix that thing uthi mase efike phambili abafuna ukuyikhahlelela maybe mhlawumbe usana lo mindset ukuthi ku-DDC wayedlala as a center forward phela manje nikhumbula kahle waye striker edlala le ku-DDC. So right now udlala as a winger, edlala la ku first team Orlando Pirates. Njengoba ezodlala as a winger yabo mhlawumbe akalithola ithuba eliningi mi lapha. Yes, he can take on players. If you take on players as a winger, you must supply phela service. You already took on umdlali lo kumele umbhithe la yabo oyi wing back le opposing team. Dlalela phela abadlali yabo, Shama Cross. Yes, he did that izolo. For me ungidlalele kahle Mjidi. He was one of the best players abebe khona kwi first half yethu yabo. First half yokuqala nje one of the best players ube khona ubedlala ube alive for Orlando Pirates, because if first half yale game Orlando Pirates be dead. Ngosikadlana case be see dead yabo. Only Nkota for me who was showing what no man, I have that ability to take on players. I have that ability to shoot, to goalkeeper. Yabo. He even assisted Makgopa. Imagine. Yabo. So izolo he played a part in the win. Yabo. He played the part because he was the one who assisted Makgopa with that first goal. Yabo. Credit to Umbata with that pass ayinikeze uNkota. Yabo. We were able to beat iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo.